Step 1. Bring a large pot of water to boil. This should take about 5 minutes. Step 2. While the pot is beginning to boil, heat 1 1/2 cups milk in another large pot over medium-high heat until just simmering. Step 3. Whisk the remaining 1/4 cup of milk, flour, garlic powder, salt and pepper in a small bowl until combined. Step 4. Add the pasta once the water has boiled. Cook pasta for 4 minutes. Step 5. Add the frozen broccoli and continue cooking. Cook for 5 minutes more. Step 6. Add the flour mixture to the simmering milk. Then return to a simmer and cook, whisking constantly, until the mixture is thickened, 2 to 3 minutes. Step 7. Remove simmering milk from the heat and whisk in cheddar, Parmesan and mustard until the cheese is melted. Step 8. Drain the pasta and broccoli, then add the cheese sauce. Enjoy!